Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode opens up with uMashabalala uhleli ekhishini. She is reading her Bible, and listen, she is not okay. Uzethu walks into the kitchen and she sees her mother, and then she says, "Ma, wabukeka ngathi kudala uhleli lana." uMashabalala just keeps quiet. Uzethu goes on to say, "Uke walala kodwa noma wadla ke?" uMashabalala then says, "Ngingadla kanjani zethu? Isimo sinje." Uzethu then says, "Hayi kabi ma, kodwa nawe mele uzinakekele." uMashabalala then says, "Zethu, khuluma nami ungesabi. How long does your father have to live?" Uzethu then says, "Anginasi isiqiniseko ma, kodwa mengabe singaqali ngedialysis maduzane, angiboni ama-kidney akhe azokwazi ukubekezela. They're going to die. Emva kwalokho ufa nezinye izitho zomzimba." uMashabalala then says, "Yazi zethu, ngadibana nobaba wakhe ngimncane. Angiyazi enye impilo. Ukuthi emhlabeni ngizoba yini ngaphandle kwakhe? What would become of me if something would happen to your father right now? Angazi." Uzethu then says, "Yingakho ma, uyomele sisukume, ngiyacela ma." So kahle kahle uzethu's asking her mother like, "Listen, convince your husband to do this dialysis, because siyamazi guys that uZenzo has grown up visiting the Kubega family consulting, and they have assisted him, his father, his grandfather. So nje, he just believes in uSifiso and imithi yakhe." So Mashabalala then says, "Ngizozama zethu, kodwa ngiyesaba ukumfakela ipressure mntanami. Ngiyasaba. Kinovalo zethu. Ngiyesaba and futhi angikaze ngisabe kanjena before." You can see guys ukuthi tears just run down uMashabalala's face. Listen, she looks like she's been crying the whole night. Uzethu then says, "Ngiyazi ma, nami ngiyesaba ma." Then uzethu wipes her tears from her face. She then says, "Ngisacela ukuyomcheka." And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, at the Kubega household, uVusi benoNomalanga are preparing for school. The mother Mangkwanyana, she's in the kitchen, I don't know, busy with something. So Mangkwanyana walks into the lounge where uVusi is packing his school books into his bag. She then says, "Vusi, usenjani uSiphamandla?" uVusi then says, "Oh hayi, uphindele ekhaya kibo." He's now walking slowly. Mangkwanyana then says, "Siyabonga Nkosi. Yazi bengikhathazekile kanjani ngaye?" uVusi then says, "Yeah, nami futhi." uMangkwanyana then says to uma wakhe, "We ma, can you imagine what would have happened if that boy didn't make it? Imali yomncwabo, ukushaqeka komphakathi, ndabe sikhulume indaba, udane wonke umuntu emphakathini." Then the mother kaMangkwanyana then says, "Hey, ungabi sayikhuluma ke leyo mntanami. Sesibonga ukuthi uVusi ube nenhlanhla wangalimali." As they speaking like that, uSifiso walks into the lounge. Mangkwanyana then says, "Ish, Baba, you're the only one ongayilungisa lento." uSifiso then says, "It would have already been taken care of. Only if the witnesses would stop being useless during interrogation." Bangitshela iqiniso. uVusi looks at his brother. You can see what he's annoyed. uVusi then says, Everyone pauses and looks at uVusi. uSifiso then says, "Khona into ofuna ukukhuluma Vusi?" uVusi then says, "Useless mina bhuti. Bengikhona when my friend was bleeding out. Ngimbambe ngalezi zandla zami. Engikhanena bhuti. Indaba mina umphathiso wesigebengu." uSifiso then says, "Who the hell are you yelling at, hey?" Because at this point, uVusi is raising his voice. uVusi then says, "Indaba ungafuni ukungikholela bhuti." uSifiso then says, "Iyona ndlela yokukhuluma nami leyo, phambi kwabantu, phambi kwasisi wakho omncane. Are we supposed to let you usikhonkethele la endlini ingathi ushonelwe umfazi? Wenze njani?" uVusi then says, "Kodwa bhuti ayilungile lento yokuthi ungafuni ukungikholela." He takes his bag. He's like, "Njalo nje yimina how?" He just leaves the house, guys, and bangs the door. uSifiso benoMangkwanyana look at one another to say like, "And then?" uMangkwanyana then says, "Yehlisa umoya nawe sithandwa sami." uSifiso then says, "Sekushaya icapha la ekhaya manje." And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, uMakhumalo, the shop owner, she is at the Shongwane house. She is there to encourage uMashabalala and to come and offer prayers. uMakhumalo then says, "Sisi, fanele uqine. uNkulunkulu khona. You can see uMashabalala, tears are just running down her face, guys, because I mean, she is faced with the reality that she can lose her husband anytime. Like, she doesn't even have strength to talk, guys. Like, listen, it's a lot. uMashabalala then says, "Ngizogcina kanjani sisi? How can I be strong when he has to leave all week for dialysis?" Ngaleso sikhathi, we don't even know what the outcome of leyo dialysis will be. uMakhumalo then says, "Uyakhumbula ukuthi ubaba uMthethwa wadlula kulesi simo esifana nalesi." uMashabalala pauses. Shuthi guys, ubaba uMthethwa asimazi, but clearly the way uMashabalala is pausing, this is a man that passed away. uMashabalala then says, why dialysis? She starts crying, guys. Angmazi Makhumalo, why would she even bring up an example yomuntu owashona due to ama kidneys, whereas she's here to offer prayers and uqinisa uMashabalala, hoping that uzophola uZenzo. Anyway, guys, uMashabalala's crying there. Le eseyenzeka manje kumyeni wami. How will he survive doing this every week for hours on end? She starts crying. She's now putting one and one together. Woody lets them. It looks like uZenzo is not gonna make it. Makhumalo then says, "Asikhuleke sis, asikhuleke. Asibeke enkosini sis. uNkulunkulu khona, uNkulunkulu unawe." uMashabalala, she's crying there uncontrollably, and then uMakhumalo starts praying for her, and then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, uSfiso goes to Shoabi's tavern, and then he heads over to uPramaiki. uPramaiki is just chilling there, guys. No piyawakhe. He's sitting there uzipholele nje. So uSfisa then says, "How putomdala." uMike then says, "How khathide." uSfisa then says, "Hey, liphumile ilanga namhlanje madoda. Hayi, liyasithosa la ngaphandle." uMike then says, "Hey, it's really hot ngempela." uSfisa then says, "Kuhamba kahle itekisi." uMike then says, "Hayi, kuhamba kahle." uSfisa then says, "Siyabonga." uMike then says, "Hayi, we're doing the best that we can." Lapho kuwena ke, police station kuhamba kanjani? uSfiso responds and says, "Arresting criminals as usual. Siyancenga impela, siyababopha. Sawucela lo msebenzi sawuthola." uMike then says, "Okay." But uMike can see ukuthi hayi man, ulokhuzana ukhathide. uSfiso ngathi khona something aze ngayo that he's feeling shy, or he's not confident in bringing this thing up. uMike then says, "That look on your face usually means you have something on your mind." uSfiso then says, "Ngikhathele bhuti. Kade ngihamba la, ngingena emizini ngemizi, ngibuzana abantu imibuzo nalela langa lesigameko." uMike then says, "Siphi leso sigameko?" uSfiso then says, "The day uSphamandla was brutally shot." uMike then says, "Oh." uSfiso then says, "Ubani bedriver itekisi lakho ngalelo langa bhutomdala? Usakhumbula?" You can see, guys, remember uMike benoSfiso. They get along, they are close. I mean, uSfiso sent uMike to go and propose uZethu on his behalf to make uZethu his second wife. Now his brother uVusi mentioned igama lika Mike. So he has to come and, interrogate Mike or do something. But you can see ukuthi akakwazi ukumqonda because he respects uMike like that. So uMike responds and then says, "Sasihamba nawe nje." uSfiso then says, "Wadlula at uMakhumalo's shop around lunchtime to grab something to eat or drink. Do you remember anything like that?" uMike then says, "Yeah, sadlula ngakhona." Yindaba. uSfiso just keeps quiet. uMike puts one and one together. He then says, "Kahle kahle Sfiso, uzama ukuthi mina nginesandla in the shooting." uSfiso then says, "Hayi cha, angizange ngisho lokho." uMike then says, "Pho manje lemibuzo engada yeyani?" uSfiso then says, "Yikuthi kuphume igama lakho bhutomdala epolice station." uMike then says, "Oh, labafana have involved my name kwinyakanyaka yabo. Ukudelela kunjani lokho?" uSfiso then says, "Akusikona ukudelela bhuti. I'm just asking. If I meant any disrespect, I wouldn't even be asking. Ngaba police station ngikuvalele." uMike then says, "Yazi Sfiso, bengikubuka, I watched you grow up right in front of me. You would play and get mud between your toes without a care in the world. Usukwazi ukutshela mina ukuthi ngingadubula abafana. Mina ngidubule mina uSifiso then says, angizange ngisho leyo nto leyo. Lalela bhuti omdala, I'm just following a lead here. Mina ngikhishiwe epolice station bathi nangu umkhondo landela la ngenza lokho. Umsebenzi wami lowo. Izinto ngiyazilandelela noma ngibona how ridiculous they may seem. Wadamele ngenze umsebenzi wami ekugcineni. uMike just keeps quiet and he looks away like he's really annoyed. uSifiso goes on to say ngisacela ungiboleke uMike gets it ukuthi uSifiso ucela isibani. uMike takes out his gun and he slams it on the table. He then says, sithathe nasi. Do what you need to do. uSifiso then says, yebo. He takes out a plastic bag and gloves. He takes the gun, he puts it into the plastic bag. He then says, usale kahle, and he leaves uMike. uMike, guys, he's annoyed. Listen, I would also be annoyed because listen, labafana bayaganga and they bringing up my name. Hi uVusi aramboni uBraMike. Next scene, we see uSiphamandla benoVusi are meeting up emgaqweni and they are having a heated conversation or a heated argument. uSiphamandla then says, yazi wena uyang ukuthi ungenenwe yini ekhanda ukuze ufake igama laBraMike in all of this. uVusi then says, kanti yini inkinga yakho Siphamandla? Ukhazeka kangakanani? Hayi man, ungiyeka, suka man. He just walks off. uSiphamandla is limping there. He follows uVusi. He then says, hey wena, what do you want to achieve? Is it not enough that you brought up Mike's name in this? Lalela. Iqhinga lethu lokuqala didn't involve uBraMike. Futhi umazi kahle uBraMike. He's not to be messed with. uVusi then says, hey ndoda, I had no other choice. Ubhuti Sifiso ebengivalele ukhoneni ubufuna ngithini? Ngivele nakhuluma mina. Askisi ke ndiyaxolisa. uSipha then says, askisi. He limps away. uVusi then says, hey ndoda, Siphamandla. uSiphamandla's not stopping. uVusi follows him. Siphamandla. uSipha then says, hey, uqalisa wakho kuzosikipha kanjani kulento? uVusi then says, dude, don't worry. ubhuti Sifiso angeke aze akhulume noBraMike. uSipha then says, uyahlanya yini wena? How can you not speak to him when he's a cop? Ngikhuluma nawe manje, ungathola ukuthi uyamphenya uBraMike ngemibuzo epolice station. Mina nawe siyafana nabantu abafile. uVusi then says, hey ndoda, awuyeki ihaba. Yini inkinga yakho? uSipha then says, wena awuyiboni kahle hle lento awuboni that mentioning uBraMike's name changes everything. Awazi wena ukuthi uBraMike, he laughs with everyone. Aveze lokuqina, but when he stops laughing, he shows up in a taxi full of inkabi. Emva kwalokho kuphelile ngawe. Uyayibona into yenzile kodwa it starts sinking into uVusi's head, you guys. uVusi then says, ish, ndoda mina ngiyicelanga yonke lento mfethu. uSipha then says, akadlali uBraMike, akadlali. And then it just limps off and then the scene just ends like that. Okay guys, few moments later, while uVusi is walking home, he's busy eating an apple munch, there's a taxi behind him that just stops. So obviously you know when a taxi stops, now uyama. So okay guys, some man jumps out of the taxi and then he heads straight to uVusi. He then says, woza. uVusi is confused. He moves backward. Ulokuzana ubhuti abantu then says, yey wena. He pulls uVusi. uVusi then says, yin manje, do you know who my brother is? Uguy then says, yey wena. He pulls him, guys. At this point, uVusi is standing emnyango wetekisi. The guy then says, ngena la doti. uVusi, when he sees the door of the taxi open, he sees uBraMike. And then he says, no, please, I'm begging you. uMike then says, ngena la, uyeke umsindo man. The other guy, Shuti, he is one of uBraMike's workers. He then says, ngena phakathi wena man. And then uVusi goes in. uMike then says, igama lam lifunani, with nonsense yeni. uVusi then says, angazi lutho, ngiyakuthembisa nazi. Angenzanga lutho, ngicela ungidedele, ngiyacela BraMike. BraMike then says, shaya imoto, speaking to driver. uVusi attempts to get up. The guy then says, ufuna ukufa. BraMike then says, hlala la. If you dare move, you will die without praying. Hamba wena, speaking to the driver, and then that scene just ends like that. Few moments later, guys, we just see the taxi stopping esigangeni somewhere, you guys. And then uguy lo who was pulling uVusi, he jumps out, guys. Athathe ishambok yakhe. I don't know if he plans on giving uVusi a good beating, like to remind him ukuthi next time, don't put abantu abadala with nyaka yenu yengane. uMike then says, yehla. uVusi then says, "Ngiyakudinga, bra Mike, ngiyakudinga." Uguy lo omunye then says, "Yey wena yehla how?" uVusi gets out. As he gets out of the taxi, guys, he finds uSiphamandla umile ngasemthini laphana next to a tree, and uSiphamandla is also standing with esinye isisebenzi sika bra Mike. Bra Mike pulls uVusi next to uSiphamandla. He then says, "Into engiyifunayo la yeqiniso." uVusi then says, "Bra Mike, ngiyakudinga, ngiyacela cela ungidedele bra Mike." uMike then says, "Yey wena, lalela la. This is no time to be begging, yezwa? Angifuni umuntu ozoncenga njengamanje. Ngifuna iqiniso liphume njengoba linjalo. Niyezwa? Kuzonisiza ke ukuthi nikhulume njengamanje." And the scene just ends like that. The episode actually ends right there. Guys, and uSiphamandla bekhulumile ukuthi yazini, uBra Mike is not someone to be messed with. Listen, guys, uBra Mike laughs with everyone, and that's the thing. Maybe uVusi ubone ukuthi uBra Mike laughs with everyone, and so ukuthi maybe uBra Mike is an easy target. Hayi kushubile, guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.